Ever wanted to keep your engine bay clean but hesitated to use a hose or pressure washer? Worried about damaging those sensitive electrical components? Today, we're cleaning the engine bay of my 2019 Honda Civic with just a simple brush, a damp towel, and a little elbow grease. As you can see, the engine bay isn't filthy, but there's definitely some dust buildup from daily use. I try to clean it like this from time to time so the dust doesn't accumulate and become a bigger issue in the future. Regular cleaning helps prevent that buildup, keeps things running smoothly, and extends the life of your car. Before you start, make sure the engine is switched off and has cooled down. Since we're not applying water directly to any components, there's no need to cover the alternator or electrical connections. Just make sure to be extra careful when cleaning around these areas. I start by using an old paintbrush to remove any dust or larger debris. I find it's best to work from the top down so the dirt falls away and doesn't get on any areas you've already cleaned. Brush gently around electrical components like connectors and sensors. These parts can be sensitive, so avoid using too much pressure. It's also a good idea to gather all the tools you'll need ahead of time so you can work efficiently and avoid unnecessary interruptions. After dusting, I grab a microfiber towel, soak it in water, and wring it out completely to make sure no water gets onto any components. I work in sections and dry as I go to prevent moisture from building up where it shouldn't. Rinse the towel from time to time to get rid of the dirt, so you don't end up just spreading it around. Make sure you have multiple towels on hand in case one gets too dirty. In a future video, I'll be applying the same method to a dirtier engine bay, so you can see how this technique works even when there's more buildup. Regular cleaning like this not only keeps things looking good, but also helps prevent issues like overheating, corrosion, and electrical problems. It's a simple, effective way to help maintain your car. By the end of the cleaning, the water is usually pretty dirty, showing just how much dust and grime has been removed. And that's it. With just a simple brush, a damp microfiber towel, and a little elbow grease, you can keep your engine bay clean without any hoses or chemicals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical car maintenance tips.